our birds, Saruman, Sam, Frodo and Gandalf, and we've been hand raising them from when they were babies. And their mama is Jemima. This one is Gandalf. This one is Saruman. This one is the crazy one, Sam. He goes nuts over his food. This one is Frodo. Saruman is the smoochiest. Sam, he's the craziest. Frodo, he likes to sit on your head. And Gandalf, she's a bit shy, but she likes her cuddles.
Not that kind of cuddle.
Do what kind of cuddle? That's so funny. You should take a picture of Saruman on your head. Saruman and Gandalf on the floor. Hello. This is you want to go say hello? Oh, Sam. Hi, Gandalf. They're all sneaking around. And as you can see. So darling. She doesn't like pets that much. Her owner. Come here, Gandalf. So this is Saruman, and apparently he always goes to the highest person. He went behind the TV last time, so apparently blah blah blah. And he's very naughty. He sometimes bites. He's a boy, and he's I go. A whitehead.
Not anymore.
Hey. Okay, time for them to go to sleep. I know you guys had a fun little. Not yet. Not yet. What is he thinking all the time? Good night, Soda. Good night, my baby Gandalf. Good night, crazy Sam. And good night, handsome looking Saruman. And bye. Thanks for watching. Bad. Okay. Wait today. We did this shit. He shit on me. Okay, get up, go to do that,